leaves here, making a room for the new buds. After drying the base, now I'm going to plant this using a succulent soil mixture. Now let's propagate the leaves. After a week or two, I noticed baby buds are starting to show from the base of the leaf. Lovely rose are really easy to propagate. And here it is after 4 weeks. They're over an inch already. And they are rooted already, so we can plant them and watch them grow. This is ready na. Pero yung iba, like this one I'm going to leave it here until it's taller. These tiny ones, we will wait until it's taller. About an inch or two. So here it is. These are my leaf propagation. This one here is a process of beheading, and this mother plant produced more buds, growing your collection. While the big rosette that we cut off developed new roots, resulting in a healthy and independent plant.